Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys had a great weekend. We were able to do some fun fall related activities. It is starting to look and feel like fall, which is really exciting. I don't know what happened to September, but I did not get outside and do anything like fall related. So the next few weeks of October are like filled with fall related activities on my calendar. Let me know what you guys are up to though and how your fall is going. I am excited that my first video back this week is the Boxycharm unboxing or my Boxycharm unboxing for October. And if you're new to these videos, Boxycharm is a beauty subscriptions box. So when you sign up, you get a new box delivered to your door every month with 4 to 5 full-size products, and the value of the box is usually over $100. So if you want to try it out, I will put a link in the description box below. Last month, we got this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and I have been wearing it so much. It's such a good palette, and I just think the colors are really beautiful and fun for fall. So I just wanted to throw it out there because I don't always update you on how I like the products, but this has become an essential for me. It's just really fun, really easy to work with, and you can get so many beautiful looks. So I've been loving that a lot. So anyways, let's jump into it and we'll see what we got this month. Okay, so I did see a spoiler for this first product. It is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and this is actually one of my favorite mascaras. I rarely spend my money on high-end mascaras because there are so many good affordable options out there. The drugstore does mascara really, really well, but I will say that I've spent my money on this mascara multiple times because it's just such a good dramatic mascara. If you like really thick, voluminous, dark, dramatic lashes, this one is going to be a great option for you. I haven't had it in my collection for a little while because I've been trying to work through the mascaras that I do own, so I'm honestly so excited they included it in the box this month because the value of this mascara is at least the cost of the box itself. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Dermovia. This is not something that I saw online. So this is the Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. This is kind of interesting. So it comes with a paste and you apply the paste to your skin, and then you take there's like a sheet mask type of product in here and apply that on top and let it sit on your skin, and then you peel it off. I will definitely try this out. I used to be a big fan of sheet masks. I haven't tried them, or I guess I haven't used them regularly for a very long time, just because I have found other products that I like, and I don't know, I've just gotten away from them a little bit. So I'm definitely curious to try this out. It's supposed to be exfoliating, and in general, when I've tried sheet masks in the past, they've been very hydrating or maybe brightening, but not necessarily exfoliating. So I'm definitely curious to try it out. I'll give it a shot and let you guys know how I like it. Okay, the next thing in here looks like a skincare product, which I'm excited about. I love when they include skincare because skincare products can be a little bit pricey, and it's not typically something that I get excited about spending my money on like I do with makeup. So I like getting skincare products, but this is by the brand Pharmacy, which I have tried before. It is their Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I love cleansing balms and cleansing oils so much. So if you guys have never tried a cleansing balm before, basically they come as like a solid solution, and you take a little bit and you massage it onto your dry skin. So if you are wearing makeup, you just massage it right on top, and in general, they remove eye makeup really well too. And then I usually take a little bit of warm water to emulsify the product even more, and it just melts away all of your makeup. And of course, you can use it on your bare skin as well. But I just find them to be very gentle. They don't irritate my skin. You don't have to tug and pull to remove eye makeup. And I am a big, big fan of them. So I'm excited to try this one out. Pharmacy makes some cool products. I've only tried a few of them, but they are a cruelty-free brand. And I think in general, their ingredients are a little bit more clean. Okay, so I did see this spoiler online. It is from Pure Cosmetics. It is their Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. This looks like a really pretty palette. I can never get the stickers off these things. So I like Pure Cosmetics palettes. I think the only ones that I own, I've gotten in Boxycharm. So we got that really neutral one. Then we got one that had like neutrals and jewel tones. So this is what the palette looks like. When you open it up, it comes with 2 sides. So there is a mirror, and you get 6 eyeshadows and 4 cheek products. So the cheek products are pretty. It looks like you get a highlighter, a bronzer, 2 blushes. This one is pretty intense. I mean, both of them are on the brighter side, which is nice because it looks like they will work for a variety of skin tones. If you have a very fair skin tone, you might want to go in with a lighter hand, but in general, I tend to use these face and eye palettes interchangeably, so I use the cheek products on the eyes, but of course you might want to check the ingredient list just to make sure they are eye safe. And then it comes with 6 eyeshadows. So it looks like they are all shimmer or metallic shadows except for the brown one, which is a matte shadow. But in my experience, pure cosmetic shadows are really, really soft and blendable. So let me just swatch a couple of them. These swatch really beautifully. They're very soft, they're very buttery, so I think they're going to go on the eyes perfectly. I always apply metallic or satin or shimmer shadows with my finger. So how they swatch is how they'll go on the eyes for me, and I'm excited. The matte shadow seems good. It seems like it will blend well. And then let me just swatch a few of the cheek products. These swatch, oh my gosh, these are really, really beautiful. I'm definitely going to wear these on the eyes because I love wearing like pinks and coppers on the eyes, and they blend, they seem like they're going to blend really well. Again, I always just apply shimmer or metallic shadows on my eyes with my fingers, so it's a fairly accurate representation as to how they will apply on the eyes. These colors are beautiful, and if you like more intense cheek products, they're going to look so pretty on the cheeks. And the last thing in here is from Kat Von D. It is one of her everlasting liquid lipsticks. I know a lot of people are not supporting Kat Von D right now or purchasing her products, and if that is you, that is totally fine. I think every single person has the right to purchase from whichever brand they want to. I just want to encourage you guys, if you did get this product and you don't like Kat Von D, please don't just throw the product away. I've seen people say they're going to do that. There are so many women's shelters out there that would love to have your makeup so they can pass the products along to people who can't purchase makeup or had to leave a bad situation and leave everything behind. So if that is you, just kind of consider that maybe instead of throwing it in the trash because you already paid for your Boxycharm. I just wanted to throw it out there, but I got the shade KDub, which I personally will not wear. I did get this as a deluxe size sample from Sephora maybe last year, and I had it in my collection for a long time, and I just never wore it. It's a little bit too bright for me, and I used to be more daring with my lipstick choices, but these days I tend to keep the color to the eyes, then I go a little bit more neutral on the lips, and I just won't wear this. On top of that, I personally just don't purchase from Kat Von D at this point. There's so much controversy always surrounding the brand. I'm not all about like the cancel culture. I think if people mess up and they apologize, they can obviously be redeemed. Everybody's going to make mistakes, but at the same time, there are so many brands out there and so many brand owners that I think the cool thing is that we as consumers can support who we want to with our dollars. So I don't think you should feel bad about not purchasing from a brand. A lot of people are like, it's just makeup, it's not a big deal. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with always trying to be educated and just vote with your dollar in a way that aligns with your values. So anyways, tangent, I guess, but that's everything I got inside my Boxycharm this month. I think this was a really good box. I'm personally most excited about the mascara and the palette. I would have been happy with just these two products, but I also got some really fun skincare products this month, and I'm a big fan of skincare, so I love that they included 2 different skincare products. So I am definitely happy with the October box. Let me know in the comments below what you guys got in your box because I really would love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye.